we're thrilled to announce a valuable addition to the PropStream toolkit, the mortgage recording date filter. The mortgage recording date filter is tailor-made for loan originators and other real estate professionals who rely on mortgage information to evaluate properties and identify new lead opportunities. Now, loan originators and other users can seamlessly navigate through mortgages based on their recording date, streamlining the property assessment process like never before. Here's how to search with this new filter in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the filters dropdown next to the search bar. Step 2. Navigate to the mortgage info dropdown. Step 3. Enter a custom date range under mortgage recording date. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more PropStream news and updates.